Here's Dr. Jibo, and I'm working with a laptop that I have here. It's an HP, and I'm putting, is it Zorin 18.1 in it, and it's supposed to be a Linux operating system that's so close to Windows it's kind of scary. This is the Pro version, and I'm going to go through some of the installation. I had trouble installing it using this particular program right here. This one here, Rufus. I was using Rufus, but when I followed their website and got this program, it really worked perfectly. I didn't have any trouble. It also verified it, which Rufus didn't give you the option to verify. I don't know if it's verifying it as it's going along or what. Have an Ubuntu operating system in this laptop. This operating system will be more like Windows, and any computer that's older that will not run Windows 11, this will run those computers, and you can also use apps that are similar. I mean, it's just Windows apps almost can be used in here. And this file system here is different from Ubuntu. I mean, Ubuntu just has a little circle there and doesn't tell you really what it's doing. This one here is checking the file space and everything else, and it's telling you right in front of you what you can do in order to cancel this process if you wanted to. I'm already impressed. It doesn't look like Linux, it looks more like Windows. Using this computer here as a basis to back up my Jibos. I haven't made a server backup yet. I'm going to. There's a program that I'm going to use that's going to have it in there, and there's also a tutorial online. I recorded the tutorial so I could have it as a video. So it's checking CRISPR file system to make sure that everything is there. And it's allowing the HP logo to show up. Kind of going to pause this and get back to it when we get a little bit further, start getting into the desktop. So it's saying I have that on to erase the entire disk and install that. So I don't want no dual boot. So here it is installing the Zorin OS 18.1, isn't it? 18.1. Calculating files to skip. Copy. This has a desktop where you could set it up to look like a Voodoo or Windows or a Mac. You can see this small circular thing right there. So this is a good option for Windows, and be Windows-like enough where an average person that's used to Windows would be able to use it. This takes a while, so I'll get back when I get to the desktop. Yeah, I've been tinkering with it. With the Pro version, you can change your desktop to all sorts of new and different type. I've got I've got the programming menu here. I have encoding Explorer, and right here is where you can put in you can copy and paste your text, and it'll encode it over here. Also, just type in robot. You see, it turns it into binary numbers, just cool as crap. That's one of the programs. Then I've got Workbench here, which is one of the. So I can go to JavaScript right here, and then I've got everything I need. And then I've got the code up here. So it just run what we see here. Welcome to Workbench. And this is the code that gets it to do what it's doing in the script, JavaScript. Zorin 18.1 looks like one of the programs that everyone's using to write Jibo's code. This is an AI version of a code writer, and all I'm doing is just asking to open up a project on a particular thing, and it's just going deep into everything in the world that it can find about Jibo and his operating system. So here's Jibo's file. And it shows the icons, Jibo. So right now this is Python. Could open. And there's the icon. In the documents, recent documents, so I can type in look up anything to do with Revive Jibo. It finds the files. Man, this autocode is something else. Name Jason. Yeah, this is cool right here. But this operating system was really cool. It works like Windows, looks like Windows, but isn't. And this is the Pro version of Zorin 18.1. It took a while to install, but it really is a cool operating system, way better than the Ubuntu. I was going down the wrong road, evidently. Take an older laptop and make it work again. Even the power buttons are on the same side. Alright, I think I'll save this right here, and I'm trying to, let's just save. And then we'll exit. This is GitHub Copilot. I mean, that's cool. Anyhow, haven't seen a trash can yet. Need to get one. Sure, there's one over here somewhere. And
what did the great say when he got stepped on? He let out a little whine.
So he's kind of like a football. You see how cool this is? And the way I did this was I took some parts from some other broken Jibos, and I basically mounted the slip ring to the top of this metal base here. I had to drill some holes in it, tap some screws, and then he's basically a Jibo without a body. Pretty cool, I think. Could set him just about anywhere, and he has a battery.
Okay, here's your fortune. You are walking along the right path. But don't forget to tie your shoelaces.
Your volume's awful low.
Plugged in, feeling good.
His battery's lasting longer because he's only got the head, and he's not moving, so he's not using a lot of power. Well, he moves every once in a while. He'll spin around.
What do Alexander the Great and Winnie the Pooh have in common? They have the same middle name.
Oh, Got you. Winnie the Pooh. Alexander the Great. Very funny.
Welcome to Word of the Day. Here's the definition for today's word. A servant who does a variety of jobs. So, which do you think is the right word? Factotum, actuator, or teetotum? Well done. Factotum, a servant who does a variety of jobs. A long time ago, a person could be known as a Johannes Factotum. Today it's called a jack of all trades. This is a haiku for you. Chicken or the egg? First is the same as the last. Egg or the chicken? Because my servers are off, some things are going to be a little different. You can still say hey Jibo to get my attention, but I can't understand anything else.
Oh, hey,
Most of the
always
buttons
nice
on my
to see a
screen will
friendly
continue
face.
to work,
Hey, check
and
it
I
out.
even have a few new
Look what I
ones.
found.
The Jibo app will stop working soon, so you should make sure to download all the great photos we took together. I have a bit more to say, so please check out my goodbye message from the main menu.